Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled at the foot of a snow-capped mountain, lived a mini golden doodle named Pip. Pip was an adventurous pup, always full of curiosity and a thirst for exploration. One crisp winter morning, Pip woke up to find the world transformed into a winter wonderland. The village was blanketed in pristine white snow, and the mountain peak glittered like a giant diamond in the sunlight. Pip, bundled up in a warm, knitted scarf, couldn't resist the call of adventure. He set his sights on the majestic mountain, determined to reach the very top. The climb was long and arduous. Pip trudged through knee-deep snow, his little paws leaving a trail of paw prints behind him. The wind howled through the trees, and the air grew colder with every step, but Pip was a brave and determined pup. He never gave up, fueled by his adventurous spirit and the breathtaking view that unfolded before him. As he climbed higher, the village below shrunk into a miniature world, and the snow-capped peaks stretched out like a sea of white cotton candy. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, Pip reached the summit. He stood there, panting but proud, his little chest puffed out with accomplishment. The world stretched out before him in all its vastness and beauty. Pip had conquered the mountain, and the feeling was pure joy. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow on the snowy landscape, Pip knew it was time to descend. He carefully made his way down the mountain, his heart full of the memories of his epic adventure. When he finally reached home, Pip was greeted with warm hugs and a delicious bowl of hot cocoa. Curled up by the fireplace, Pip recounted his adventure, his tail wagging excitedly. That night, Pip slept soundly, dreaming of snowy mountains and his next big adventure.